Luther. Here's a train video for you.
Hi, buddy. Tanker cars, fuel cars.
Tankers.
Wow, it's a long train.
It is. It's a lot of tanker cars.
A whole lot of fuel.
Wow, it's a tanker train.
Come on, aqua car.
Let's see, can we see what kinds of, what's in there? It doesn't seem to say.
Does not seem to say. I'm sure it's
Chlorine.
chlorine.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Tanker cars are over, looks like. Ooh, what's that? Wow, all different kinds of cars now.
Get with Daddy on the train. Nope. More tankers.
What are those cars?
I don't know.
The empty ones. There it is, the caboose.
Oh, there goes the caboose.
Goodbye, train.